Margaret? I'm panning. Yeah. No. Here we are at the Parting Lane Racing 10th Annual Pig Roast. Everybody's here eating like pigs, because that's what you're supposed to be doing in a pig roast. It's a vegetarian pig roast, but we're all eating like pigs, so it actually qualifies for the pig roast, even though we're not eating pig. Hey, there's Arthur. Hey, everybody say hello.
Wonderful to help you have in the show.
Hey, Mary. Wave. Anthony. Pretty fabulous. Okay, now we're going to walk over gently. There's Arthur. He's having a good time.
Oh, the pig's fabulous.
Going to walk over. There he is, the master. The master at work.
The big man.
The master at work. The master of the pigs. Looks like that first one's almost gone, huh?
It's gone quite a ways.
Good, good. Hello, guys. How you doing?
Good.
Welcome to the pig roast. Here we are, big party. Look at that line, huh? Look at all those hungry people. Oh, who's that? Wait a second. Is she old enough? Is she old enough to have? Is she old enough? Say hi, Maria. Say hi. There you go. There's Superman right there. There you go. Yahoo! What a fabulous group we have here today.
Great job, Mr. Gallo.
There's someone. That doesn't look like his wife. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, but we won't say anything.